Hi there, I'm Rachel, product specialist for Troutwood, and today I want to show you how to create your first financial plan using the Troutwood app. Start by tapping the green Build Plan button. This will take you straight to our homepage where you have the option to explore careers, colleges, or locations before you start your plan. Once you're ready, click the New Plan icon, create a new financial plan, and then select Get Started. You'll begin by entering some information about yourself. How old are you? How many years would you like to invest? Where do you plan to live? And do you have student loans? Then the age-old question, what do you want to be when you grow up? If you're already sure about your career path, enter your title and salary information. If you're not in the workforce yet, or thinking about starting something new, we've got you covered. Browse our extensive career list, find your dream job, and then select an estimated salary based on both your experience level and your location. With so many options to choose from, we've made sure that your plan can grow with you, so you can change your career or your location at any time. The last step is choosing your investment plan. We have several investor profiles to choose from, ranging from $1 a day to maxing out your 401k. The Roth IRA Maximizer is a fan favorite of our young investors. Maximizing your Roth IRA now builds the foundation for a healthy financial future. Once you're satisfied with your investor profile, you're ready to build your plan. And there you have it, a personalized financial plan in under 60 seconds where a 22-year-old nurse working in Denver can be a millionaire by age 45. Dream big, build a plan, go do it with the Troutwood app.